everyone, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to give rewards on Reddit. So first of all, what you need to do is go to your Reddit, and you must already log into your Reddit account. Once you've done that, just choose any post you want to give reward and press on reward icon. Once you've done that, you can choose any reward you like to send. You can also add the message and choose you want to give it anonymously or not. Once you've done that, all of that, just simply click on give reward. And if you don't have enough reward points, just click here, choose any type of reward you want to buy, and pull this labels, so just add card number and etc. and just buy it. So thank you for watching, leave a like and subscribe.